Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing Peppa Pig traveling to Alaska. In this video, it's all about snowy adventures and colorful discoveries. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Alright, now here comes our song, Peppa Pig Travels to Alaska. Let's draw and sing together.
Peppa Pig put on her hat, pink and puffy, imagine that. George says no, I see the flakes, they're flying high, oh what it takes. Draw, draw, draw the snow, color white where cold winds blow. Peppa's boots go stomp, 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 Alaska's calling, jump a jump, the journey begins. Daddy Pig drives through frosty air, Mummy packs snacks to share. Airplane wings go whoosh so fast, Peppa cheers, we're here at last. Draw, draw, draw the plane, color silver, sky and rain. Peppa waves from window bright, hello Alaska, pure delight. Snowy town fun, they meet a moose, they meet a bear. Snowflakes sparkle everywhere, George builds snow pigs in a line. Look, it's us, Peppa laughs, it's fine. Color codes in red and blue, draw the snowman smiling too. Spin your crayon round and round, make the happiest scene you found. The sky turns green and pink, Peppa gasps, it's magic I think. Stars are dancing far and wide, let's draw the colors side by side. Draw the spine, yeah! Draw the sky, kids draw the sky. Color bright, kids color bright. Peppa smiles, kids Peppa smiles. What a night, what a night. Peppa slips, oh what a fall. George giggles, that's not all. They slide on ice, they twirl with glee. A snowy dance for you and me. Draw, draw, draw the slide. Colors sparkle side by side. Peppa, George and family too, having fun just like we do. Back inside, the fire's bright. Mummy Pig says what a night. Daddy laughs, let's color more. Peppa's crayons on the floor. Draw, 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 hooray. Color dreams the Peppa way, from icy peaks to sky so blue. Drawing fun with all of you. Drawing fun with all of you.
Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew Peppa Pig traveling to Alaska and sang together. What a fun adventure! If you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw a Song. See you next time, friends! Bye!